What if AI could think like a human and see like one too? OpenAI's new O3 and O4-mini models are here with next-level reasoning and image smarts. Ready to be blown away? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're diving into OpenAI's latest drop, the O3 and O4-mini AI models. These reasoning powerhouses can think, code, analyze images, and more. Let's unpack why they're a big deal. OpenAI's O3 is their most advanced reasoning model yet, crushing it in math, coding, science, and visual tasks, scoring 69.1% on the SWE bench coding test. The O4-mini is a smaller, faster model with a 68.1% score, perfect for devs needing speed and affordability. Both models can think with images, upload a blurry sketch or diagram, and they'll analyze it, zoom, rotate, or even web search for answers. They also use ChatGPT tools like Python, web browsing, and image generation autonomously, making them like AI agents that solve complex problems in under a minute. These models aren't just upgrades, they're a leap forward. Unlike older models like O1, O3 and O4-mini can combine tools seamlessly, from coding to visual reasoning. They beat Claude 3.7 Sonnet 62.3% on SWE bench and scored 99.5% on the AIM 2025 Mac test with Python access. X users are hyped, with some calling O3 near genius level for generating scientific hypotheses. OpenAI is pushing towards AGI, but they're not perfect. They can still hallucinate or overcomplicate image tasks. Who's this for? Developers can tap O3 and O4-mini via OpenAI's API for just $10 per million input tokens for O3 and $1.10 for O4-mini. ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Team users get access now, while free users can try O4-mini with the Think option. From coding apps to analyzing whiteboards, these models are for students, researchers, and coders. OpenAI is also open sourcing Codex CLI, a tool for running these models locally and offering $1 million in grants for cool projects. OpenAI is not slowing down. They're planning O3 Pro for pro users soon, and GPT-5 might blend reasoning with conversational AI. But with competitors like Google's Gemini and xAI's Grok in the race, OpenAI is feeling the heat. Safety is a focus too. O3 and O4-mini pass stress tests, but some worry about rushed evaluations. This is just the start of smarter AI. Want to test these AI beasts? Hit up chatgpt.com to try O4-mini for free or grab a Plus plan for O3 access. Subscribe for more AI updates, smash that like button, and comment what you'd use these models for: coding, math, or something wild.